Today I'm going to show you how you can enable ChatGPT to work right alongside with your iPhone. It's literally integrated. First thing we want to do is open up your settings application here. Once you're inside your settings, you want to go to Apple Intelligence and Siri, depending on what iOS you're on, and or if you enabled Apple Intelligence, yours actually might say Siri and search. So if you don't have this option, you're going to go ahead and have to enable Apple Intelligence in order to get to this menu. But once we go ahead and select this, if we scroll down, you're going to notice that there's this extension here, and it's the ChatGPT extension. If I go ahead and select this, then we have a couple different options here. So first and foremost, as of right now, my ChatGPT, it is not set up. I do have Siri on. This will allow Siri to suggest ChatGPT when you make a request. However, as of right now, it's not actually integrated into my iPhone. If I integrate it into my iPhone, it'll help me write texts. It will answer questions for me, all of that. So we can go ahead and go to setup here. Now, what you're going to want to make sure that you do is probably read the terms of service in case you're worried about any privacy and all of that right here. But it will give you kind of a quick breakdown as to what ChatGPT will be able to do. I think the cool one that I like is the fact that it can help me compose my text, because hey, let's be honest, I make a lot of different typos. So once you read through all this, you can go ahead and select next. And then I really appreciate that Apple actually does this. They do give us kind of something to help us feel a little bit more comfortable as far as letting us know that we are in complete control of our privacy. We can choose when to turn off or on ChatGPT, and even if we go through this, we can scale it back and not use it anymore. So once you get to this menu and you're feel comfortable with it, you can go to either enable ChatGPT, or if you already have a premium account where you are using it, you can go ahead and use the account down here, which will have you go through several different menus and setting it up that way. So let's go ahead and enable ChatGPT, and it's literally that simple. So right now, I go ahead, we're in this new menu up here. We can go to use ChatGPT. So currently, right now, it is on. We do have a daily limit unless you upgrade. And if you go into the sign in right here, you'll be able to, like, let's say you already have an account, we'll just go to sign in and you'll be able to sign in that way. So yeah, this is pretty much it. It's now fully integrated into my phone. If I go back here, you're going to notice that if I go to ChatGPT, that I no longer have the toggle anymore to set it up. And instead, I just have the ability to either use it or not use it. If I don't want to use it, well, there we go. We just toggle it off. So hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.